Hi, I'm Steph.
Hi, I'm Santo.
And welcome to Secure Networks. Can you predict network attacks?
There are multiple ways of predicting network attacks. So some people use gaming theory, which is very common nowadays.
Did you say gaming theory?
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay, you have to explain that more.
It's a bit complicated, but it's basically how you play a game and then you work around it to find what the other attacker is. So that's called gaming theory. Some people use machine learning, attack graphs, and so on. But the most common one is more around predictive AI. Some people call it AI ops, so artificial intelligence ops, because we are in the world of AI, and that's what people say is the future looking ahead. So it basically uses a lot of tactics, predictions, a lot of graphs to understand how the network attacks would come and basically act based on it. It also helps us to identify, scale your resources. So that's what AI is all about.
So instead of having like 20 people looking at our networks and monitoring it and finding that out, it's like that's where AI comes in. So you can just streamline that process and focus on other things, and it's kind of doing the work in the background.
That's correct. And you don't want people to work over the weekends, late night. What this predictive AI can do is basically work on certain rules, formulas, anomalies, and actually auto-remediate some of them and block it. So you don't literally want to have people working overnight to basically protect your environment, whereas you have certain analytics rules created by these AI to protect your network overnight, so you can peacefully enjoy your weekend or
and play games. And that's all built into Aruba, isn't it? Into the Aruba.
Yeah, that's correct. The Aruba stack, the centralized dashboard, gives you that information. So in Aruba portal, you can actually see everything from top to down, from edge devices all the way to the networking devices. Because when an attack is meant to happen, you just sort of look at the pile of network cables or networking, try to log into every portal and try to figure out what is happening, where do I stop, how do I stop it. And most people end up stopping it from the top layer, which is basically cut off all the access.
Even before it impacts the users or anything like that, it all just goes away.
Yeah, that's correct. So it would be preferable to only block a certain section of the department where the attack has happened. So Aruba Central Portal will help us identify that, give us that information all in all.
Yeah, so we can enjoy our weekends.
That's correct.
Thank you to HP Aruba for sponsoring this series on Secure Networks. If you'd like to know more about anything we've discussed today, check out the caption below. We've got a little bit more information there. I'm Steph.
I'm Santo.
And we'll see you next time.